And we say it's not possible for you to be a university student and still make some cash, some cool cash, just with your phone and just with your time and just with a little bit of effort, and still be following all with your studies. Yes, I'm a practical proof, and I will show you how I make some bucks, how I earn money online, how I earn money physically, and I still follow up my studies very straight. Yeah, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, my name is Basi Ejuwajon. I'm a medical student in the University of Calabar, and in my channel I talk about education and finance to students, on how they can grow academically and also they can grow financially to aid their studies. So don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button if you're watching this video on YouTube. If you're watching this video on Facebook, please don't forget to follow me on Facebook, and don't forget to share and like my video. So today I'm going to show you some practical ways in which you can use to earn money as a student in Nigeria. Let's go. So number one way in which you can use to earn money in Nigeria as a student is through freelancing. Yeah, freelancing is one of the shortest way in which you can use to make money online. What is freelancing? Freelancing is simply the art of offering services to people. Services through writing, services through video editing, services, and a lot of them freelancing covers. So when you hear freelancing, just know that freelancing is simply the art of offering service to people. So as a student in Nigeria, you can make money through offering freelancing services. In my next video, I'm going to drop you five platforms in which you can go and offer your freelancing services, and you make nothing less than $100 monthly, weekly, daily, depending on how you have the time available in your hand. So number one on the list is freelancing. Number two on the list is content creation. Content creation currently is the new oil well. When I say new oil well, you don't have to doubt. Go and check online. You see a lot of content creators. Majority of them are students. So who said it's not possible for you to be a student and still make some money online or physically? You get? So content creation can either create video content on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok, and you get paid. I'll show you how you can create content on all these platforms and also get paid. You can also blogging is you write news and people read, and you get paid when you monetize your blogs through ads platform like AdSense, Astezra, Mediavine, and the rest of them. So number one way you can make money is through freelancing. Number two is through blogging. Number three is affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is simply the art of linking the buyer and the seller together. You stand as a middleman by linking the buyer and the seller, and when the buyer buys from the seller, you tend to get a commission. Let's say a product is 10,000 naira. Through your affiliate, by creating an affiliate link or signing an affiliate platform, I'm going to show you a lot of platforms in which you can use to earn as a student in Nigeria. So through affiliate marketing, so you sign up and you promote a product. Let's say you promote a book on how to get rich, which is selling for 10,000 naira. You promote it. When someone buys that book for 10,000 naira, you tend to get a commission of probably 2,000 naira. Imagine promoting the book for free, and you are getting 2,000 naira for promoting someone's work. You get? So affiliate marketing is also sweet. Number one is freelancing, content creation, affiliate marketing, and the last on the list that I will be sharing today is social media managers. There are a lot of people that are busy to manage their social media handles. Some of them have a lot of social medias: Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and a lot of them, they need someone that can help them to manage this social media platform, and they will pay the person. So if you're actually looking for a work which you just be pressing your phone, then you can try also social media management. You understand? You can learn social media management, and you get employed and you get paid also for helping people to manage their social media platform. So these are the basic 4 ways, and these are not just the ways. I'll be showing you a lot of ways in which you can use to earn money as a student in Nigeria. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button, like my video, share it to your friends and family so that they can come here and gain value, and also so that I can grow. Until that, see you next time. I leave you all in the light and love of the world creator. I really love you.